Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very exciting unboxing for you. Now this is the final piece of the puzzle to complete the spot price bar collection that myself and Valui produced. Really excited to show you what's inside here, and I delayed doing this video for a little while because I didn't want to spoil the surprise for everyone that got their December bars where this was first announced. But before we do that, I want to go through a couple of bits and pieces first. Firstly, what I remember, I'm just going to showcase this very cool silver bar. I did say to Silver Sins in Stacker Social this morning that I would showcase this bar. This is based on my book. This was made by Liquid Metals. Just a really cool piece to commemorate my book. I'm very proud of the book that I released. I know I bang on about it in Stacker Social, but I do genuinely think it's going to really help those people that are just starting getting involved in investing in precious metals. It starts from the beginning. It explains why silver holds value. And then it finishes with the best places to buy silver and everything in between. So that is why I got this made up, as a way of celebrating the release of the book. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. And if you haven't heard, it is available on Amazon. I don't know if I've got one to hand. I should have one to hand, shouldn't I? Where have I put them? There we go. Here's the book, available on Amazon. And like I said, it literally covers everything you need to know when it comes to stacking precious metals. It's mainly focused around silver, but you can apply the same rules to gold as well. I just wanted to do something to do with silver because over here in the UK, it's a little bit different with silver. We have to pay 20% VAT. So I wanted to kind of highlight that and explain to people's ways of avoiding that VAT. And as you know, I do think long term silver has a larger potential of growth. Not financial advice, just my opinion. But yeah, available on Amazon. So if you haven't grabbed it already, please head over. And I really appreciate everyone that already has. But before we get into the main star of the show, the main unboxing, I'm going to be adding 2 more peace dollars to my filler tube challenge. I actually unpackaged these off camera. 2 more peace dollars to add to my tube. 1922. That seems to be the most common year. I don't know if that was the year it was minted the most, the highest mintage year. I'm not too sure. But a lot of the years I'm picking up happen to be 1922. And I'm literally just buying these based on price. I'm not buying them based on condition or year. I'm just buying them to fill my tube, and I'm glad that I grabbed these 2 before the spot price went crazy. The spot price of silver today is sitting at £49 an ounce, so we might potentially, before this video is edited and released, we might actually hit £50 an ounce today, which is insane growth, almost unhealthy growth really. It'll be nice to see a bit of a pullback. It's always a little bit nerve-wracking when it keeps increasing at the rate that it's increased. You want it to trade sideways for a little bit really. You don't want it to keep going up and up and up. You want it to find its new stability point and just carry on sideways for a little bit, because otherwise if it keeps going up and up and up, there's larger for it to fall. So yeah, it's interesting to see. No one really knows. We could be at £100 an ounce end of next year. We could fall back down to £30 an ounce, £40 an ounce. No one knows, and that is the beauty. If anyone tells you they know for sure, they're lying. So don't follow all of the hype, all of the rocket emojis, all the FOMO. Just stick to your budget. Buy silver as and when you can. Don't overstretch yourself. Don't rush out and buy silver using debt or credit cards. Just buy slow and steady, and long term that will serve you the best. Again, not financial advice, just what has worked for many people over the years. But let's get straight into this. Now this is a piece, like I said, that I've been holding off showcasing on the channel. I haven't seen it in hand myself yet. Most people by now have got their December bars, so they've already seen the announcement for this. But I'm so excited to see how this looks. got a 365 business card in here. We've got a Louis business card as well. Pop those to one side. Oh, it's in a tin. It is in a tin, nicely secured down as well, so it's not going to rattle around in the box. Oh, I forgot it was in a tin. This is going to be so cool. Let's have a bit of a zoom. And let's have a look. The Louis silver, beautiful hand casted silver, thelouis.co.uk. I will leave a link to their website in today's video description as well. 365 days of silver, spot price 2025 completer. As you probably already guessed, this is the final bar in the series. It comes in its own tin because it doesn't fit in the box, and it's something we decided to do halfway through the year. We thought it'd be quite nice to put some sort of finalized piece out there for everyone that's been following this journey along. And Craven, these tins slide just like that. Wow, that is huge. Now these are around about 3 ounces, minimum 3 ounces each. And you can see the reason it's called the completer is it has the year 2025. It has the increase in percentage, which is 83.65%, which is really cool. That wasn't planned. That was complete luck that it's ended in 365. Really, really cool. And we can see that it opened £23.73 at the beginning of the year. And it is closed, well, not quite closed yet because the year is still going, but the first trading day of December was £43.58. So yeah, 83.65% growth over the years. And for those with eagle eyes, you'll spot this one is very special because it actually has a hallmark. Now, most of the other ones we released don't have hallmarks, and that is because we needed to release them in quick succession to be able to get them out every single month. But the final completer version is fully hallmarked up. And let's pop it out of here and have a closer look. Wow, it's so good. It's so thick. Look at that. That is insane. 94.3 grams. Oh my gosh, that has come out even better than I ever imagined. Wow, what an absolute chunk. 94.3 grams, like I said, just over 3 ounces of 3 nines fine silver. And the way that these are being released, and I did touch upon this in my previous video, that even if you haven't collected this series, you might be able to get hold of one of these. And how this is being released, and I think this is the fairest way of doing this, there's only going to be 35 of these released. So a limited mintage again, same as the mintage for every single of the spot price bars that were released every month. There was only 35 of them released. And everyone that got their December bars, you would have seen in there's a leaflet advertising this release and showcasing it. And it gives you first refusal. So if you're interested in collecting this final piece to put an end to the series, an absolutely stunning chunk of a piece, I will get out one of the other ones in a minute so you can see the difference in size. But if you're interested in picking this up, let the Louis know as soon as possible to secure your place. It will take a little while for the turnaround on these because these have to go away for hallmarking as well. That obviously adds a bit of a premium to it as well, so bear that in mind when you get the price come through. The hallmarking adds a little bit of money to it because it's another service that needs to be added to the price of the pouring and all the rest of it. But these are going to be offered to the people that have collected the series of these bars first. They have first refusal. So there's only going to be a maximum of 35 of these released. And anyone that has been collecting the spot price series along the way, you get first refusal. So if you want to pick up your bar, like I said, let the Louis know as soon as possible so they can add you to their list. And if you don't, please let them know as well. It'd be quite cool if you could still let them know whether you would like the bar or not, just so they can kind of work out how many are left from the mintage, and whatever that number is, they'll put that on their website. So let's say 35 of these are released and only 20 people actually want to collect them. because don't forget, this is going to be a premium piece. The spot price of silver is continuing to rise. 3 ounces. It's not going to be a cheap piece, but it is going to be a very cool collectible piece. Let's say, for example, only 20 people that have collected this series want to buy these. That will leave the remaining 15 from the total minted of 35 to be published on Valui's website. So that would give, for example, 15 people within the community that haven't collected this series a chance to own one of these spot price bars. So that's the way we're doing it. I think that's the fairest way possible. Give the people that have collected the whole series the first refusal on this piece, and then offer it to everyone else. But an absolutely stunning piece. I'm just going to borrow this stand, if it's going to fit, just so we can showcase this piece alongside a regular spot price bar, just to show you the size difference. I'm just going to make a little bit more room so that we can get the spot price bar box up on display. There we go. And let's have a look. Let's use December's as the example. You can already see it's like towering over it, isn't it? Look at that. Absolutely towering over her. So let's have a little look. So there we go. That is the height difference. Huge difference there. These are just over an ounce, and like I said, this is just over 3. So already you can see it's an absolute beast, and the thickness is where you're really going to see the difference as well. Look at that thickness. Absolute chunk of a piece. So yeah, really cool way to finish this series. Again, a massive thank you to everyone that's been collecting this series. A massive thank you for Valui for putting this together. And I do think it's really cool. I know I said it again earlier, but to finish on 365 within the percentage for the increase for the year, I think is a really cool touch. And like I said, that was not planned at all. That's just how it's worked. But yeah, really cool. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to be playing around with this off camera as well, just to really appreciate it. And what's cool about this, because it doesn't fit in the box alongside all of these, this can actually be kept out on my backdrop in display. My other box will be put away into storage, into my deep stack, but this will be kept out to be able to showcase and to be able to talk about the record-breaking year that we have seen this year with the rise in the silver price. So thanks very much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this piece. Let me know if you're going to grab one, if you're collecting the series. Let me know if you're going to be keeping an eye out for any that are left over and added to Valui's website. I'll be interested to hear. But yeah, what a truly stunning piece. So thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support. Please like, share and hype the video. And I hope you all have a very nice day. Just for those of you that have watched all the way to the end, I was just packing everything away and putting this back in its nice little box, and I saw that the COA is actually on the other side of the tin. Really, really cool to have the COA on the actual tin. Won't be able to lose it like a piece of cardboard. So yeah, that's a really, really nice touch as well. Yeah, I still can't get over how amazing this piece is. It's so chunky. In the middle of the year, we actually spoke about doing a 10-ounce completer, but the way spot price has risen over the last few months, it just wasn't viable to do that. Then we spoke about doing a 5-ounce piece, and again, that wasn't viable. And then we spoke about doing a 100-gram piece, but eventually we settled for a 3-ounce piece just because of the affordability and the amount of silver it would take to produce this whole collection. But absolutely stunning. Really, really chuffed with that. So yeah, I just thought I'd add that at the end of the video to show you the COA on there. And again, Craven, these tins, they slide. But yeah, thanks for watching everyone.